psychiatric unit of a Los Angeles hospital. 14 years on, the founder of punk returned to the city to record his latest LP with ex-Sex Pistols Steve Jones. Now 41, Iggy leaves no doubt that he remains one of the greatest live rock performers on earth. With this, his latest single, Cold Metal.
Very few people talk to each other anymore. You've got TV for that. You know, who needs friends, right? And because of this, I think people feel kind of dirty, and when they get on that bike, it's like a hyper bath. Yeah, it's the air rushing by and cleansing.
I Want to Be Your Dog, Iggy Pop.
All right. Okay, so the TV show is over. Now let's play no fun. Yeah. Yeah. Dog. Hello back there. Like a dog. Yeah, baby. I'm so messed up. I want you here. In my room. Yeah. All right. Oh, that feels good. Yeah, I got a rack, man.